Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have been excited of the pure Georgette Satin Patta Saree price rupees 1199. Let's divine right in and see what this saree has to offer. First, let's talk about the fabric. This saree is crafted from pure Georgette satin, known for its lightweight and drap. The fabric silky, smooth against the skin, making it comfortable to wear all day long. Now let's take a closer look at the intricate satin patta design. The contrasting color and pattern add a touch of elegance of this saree. It truly stand out and can make you the center of attraction at any event. One of the best thing about this saree, it is versatile and you can experiment with this different trapping style to create a unique and style look. And whether it's a tradition drap or modern twist, this saree and adapt to any occasion seamlessly. We also need to talk about the high quality stitching. The saree is beautiful, finished with precious, ensuring durability and longevity. You can trust this saree to last for a year, becoming a timeless addition to your wardrobe. Now let's see how this saree looks when worn. As you can see, it drapes beautifully and enhances the wearable grace and elegance. The rich color, intricate design truly make a statement wherever you go. And there you have it, the pure Georgette Satin Patta Saree, price at an affordable price rupees 1199. If you are looking for a saree that combines style, comfort and value for money, this is definitely worth consider. Thank you for watching our video. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel for more excited video, and we appreciate your support, guys. If you want to purchase this saree, then also link is in description box. You can check it out. Till then, bye, take care, and thank you for watching my video.